Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So firstly open Google and search for delete Instagram account. Now tap on the first link, which is delete your account Instagram help center. Now scroll down for the second option, which is how do I delete my Instagram account. Now scroll down and tap on delete your account. Now enter your phone number, username or email, and then enter your password. Now tap on login. Now select the option why do you want to delete your account. Now re-enter your password. Now tap on delete your account. Tap on OK. Okay, so this is how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Thank you for watching this video.